Hey guys, what's up? Todd Lamb here, alphanation.com. Today we are talking about shoulders here in the donut shop. What we're actually going to talk about is the imbalance of shoulders. It's pretty common in guys to have imbalance in their shoulders, in particular in the posterior portion of their shoulders. Guys don't like to work the back portion of their shoulders, typically because they're not pushing enough weight. The tendency is guys want to get in front of a bunch of other dudes in the gym and push weight. You don't have to do that for shoulders. You've got three primary muscles in the shoulders: anterior, medial, posterior. The anterior can take a bit more weight. You don't necessarily have to in order to get the size or the stability in the shoulders. And listen, you're only as strong as you are stable. And if you've torn part of your shoulders, the rotator cuffs, which are, stabilizing the shoulders, if you're recovering from that, you're going to need to make sure that you are balancing your shoulders. Before we start pushing a ton of weight and creating an imbalance, let's get stable, and through stability, we get strong. So today what I'm going to show you is a move for stabilizing the trap 3, which is often ignored. When you're in spec ops and you're in a proper shooting position, not Jimmy Jack on the back 60 in the farm, standing in the old Weaver with the rifle up in the shoulder. We're talking straight on, good shoulder width stance. The long gun, your primary weapon's up, shoulders are rolled forward, and now you're in a good shooting stance. That buttstock's tucked nicely into your chest, and now you can get into position. But you see exactly what's happening here. You're rolling those shoulders forward. And if you're in that position for long periods of time, the tendency is to get imbalanced shoulders. So, what do guys do? Well, they just go do more shoulder exercises that build the front of that muscle, creating even more imbalance. So, in order to rectify that, I'm going to take you through this exercise. Just need a bench, really lightweight. If you don't have weights at home, soup can. That's how light it is. Come on over, I'll take you through the trap 3 raise. Okay, so you're going to have a bench upright, or if you're at home, all you need is a chair. You just want something to be stable on as you bend over. So you're going to get nice light weight, forearms on the back of the chair or the bench, and you're going to be in this bent over position, maintaining that neutral spine so you've got good spinal stability. You can be braced through the trunk, so we always want to be braced through the trunk. And you're going to take that weight. The first part of the movement from here is you're going to retract your scap. So this is one portion of the movement. It's not just a matter of moving the weight out. First thing you're going to do is retract the scap, and then you're going to come up and out at a Y, all the way back down, and then release through there. Again, up through the scap, sucking that back. You're angled out at a 45, coming up and down. If you need more stability, you just want to slightly position your feet apart, put some weight on there, come on up, retract that scap, angled out at a 45, back down, and release. That's all there is to the trap 3 raise. Come on back up. Okay guys, so that's it. Trap 3 raise. Very simple, basic movement. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps, nice light weight. You'll be surprised how quickly you'll tire doing that. The other thing, get stable shoulders. There's nothing worse than shoulder pain. When you've got bad imbalances, you're at risk even reaching back to grab your seatbelt. I bet you there's a handful of you guys out there that have had a slap tear from just reaching back and trying to get a seatbelt on. I know you're nodding. I've seen it happen to guys. It's brutal and it's uncomfortable, and it's all the result of instability. You don't build a house on a shaky foundation, boys. I'm telling you, stability, strength. That's it for today from the Donut Shop. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next one. Out.